Geist or Gyeon? Which leather kit do I think is the one that I will keep and the one that perhaps you should have a closer look at? Hello and welcome back to the Golf Diaries. My name's Mark, and at last I'm going to give you the answer to that question that's been burning into your soul since you saw the reviews of both the Gyeon and the Geist leather kits. Which one is the madman going for? Well, I have to be honest, spoiler alert, if I could have a bit of one and a bit of the other and make one super kit, that's what I would do. Let me explain. So first things first, if you're buying a kit, it's an outlay in money, isn't it? Well, there's not a lot of difference between these two kits in terms of price. So depending on where you buy your stuff from, it varies between 33 and 38 pounds for both of them. So actually, there's not a lot of difference there. In terms of the amount of product you get for that price, you do get a little bit more in the Geist bottles for sure. But I think, as I'm about to explain, certainly when it comes to the cleaner, you probably use a little bit more than you do of the Gyeon anyway. So maybe that evens itself out. I don't know. So on the subject of the cleaner, the Geist cleaner is very, very good. If I was to only use that for the rest of time, I'd be quite happy. It's a nice product to use. You've got a nice work time. You can really scrub in before it starts to dry out. The Gyeon does dry out a little bit quicker from what I can see and from what I've experienced. But, and here's the big but, here is the Eiffel Tower size but, the Gyeon's a better cleaner. There's no way of sugarcoating that one. I couldn't get my words out. Sugarcoating that one. The Gyeon is definitely a better cleaner. Whilst you don't have the work time, it's obviously just a little bit aggressive or something, more aggressive or something, because the cleaning ability is definitely better than the Geist. And here's another but that's where the Gyeon superiority ends. The rest of the Geist kit, I think, is better value for money. The leather conditioner left a beautiful soft feel to the leather, more so than the Leather Protect from Gyeon. It's not a conditioner, so they're not quite the same product there. It's more of a protector. But the leather conditioner for an older leather, and we are talking about 30-odd-year-old leather here, the leather conditioner is what has swung it for me towards Geist, because the feel of the leather after that conditioner was out of this world. You then add on the dye and friction blocker on top of that with the Geist, and you've got a protected soft leather. Now, if you've got a fairly new car, maybe that's not so much of an issue. You don't really need a leather conditioner, so maybe Gyeon is the one for you. But if you've got an older car like me, well, I think Geist wins it. Now, that's not to say that I'm not going to buy the Gyeon cleaner in future. I may well. But, it's good value when you buy the kits. I'm a Geist man now. There's something I never thought I'd say. So going forward, Geist will be the one. Not just for the Rivage, but also for the Caddy and for the Audi and any other car that happens to come along in the years to come with leather seats. Because it just has that little bit of flexibility. You can, if it's a car that doesn't need the leather conditioner, well, you just go straight to the dye blocker. If you want the leather conditioner because it's an older car, then by all means add the leather conditioner. But I think what really seals it for me is Geist are experts in the field of leather. You only have to go on their website. It's even called Leather Care. Go on their website and check it out. They know their stuff. And I'm not saying Gyeon don't, but Gyeon obviously are a great range of just about everything for the car. Geist concentrate on leather and fabrics. So yeah, I'm a great believer in you go with the experts as much as you can. And my experience is that despite the cleaner not being quite as good, they just kind of get it a little bit more. So I'm not sure whether that's been any help to you whatsoever. I guess it really does, as ever with these things, it really does depend on what your requirements are. If you've got an older car, I would recommend Geist all day long. As I said, the leather conditioner wins it for me. And also just the quality of the kit and the stuff that comes with it. The cloths are great as well. So definitely, if that appeals to you, then Geist is the kit for you. If you've got a more modern car with newer leather, then Gyeon will do a fantastic job, as it has done for me on the Caddy for the past couple of years. So it's what works for you. And I can't stress that enough with this or any other product that I look at. I can only say as I find and my usage scenario, and then hopefully you find some value and some kind of relatability to your requirements. But yeah, I'm waffling now, so I'll tell you what, I'm going to let you get on, and I'll be back very soon. Lots of stuff coming your way, so please like, subscribe, be part of it. Stay safe. Bye for now.